Is Alpha Network still a crypto trap in 2026? Let's dig in. If you've been tempted to try the Alpha Network app, minealpha.net, you're not alone. It promises free crypto just for tapping your phone daily. No financial deposit, just a few seconds of your time. Sounds harmless, right? But here's where things get sketchy. First, let's talk about liquidity. Sure, they have something called the Alpha Exchange, but good luck selling your coins. The price is basically set by the team and actual buyers? Almost non-existent. So, all those coins you've mined? They're just digital numbers, no real-world value. Now the ads. The app is packed with them. The more you watch, the more you earn. But many believe the real goal isn't building a new blockchain. It's raking in ad revenue for the developers. That's a big red flag. And what about listings? In 2026, Alpha Network still isn't on any major crypto exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. That's a classic sign of a zombie project. Lots of hype, little substance. Regulators are also circling. Similar alpha projects have already been warned by the UK's FCA and South Africa's FSCA for shady practices. Not a great look. User reviews? Not glowing. People complain about endless errors, login problems, and even losing 40% of their balance just for signing in on a new phone. Ouch. Now some say Alpha is legit since you don't risk any cash. But in crypto, being legit means a transparent team, real utility, and an actual liquid market. Alpha Network ticks none of those boxes. So, should you bother? Approach with caution. The only real profit here is for the developers. Your time and data in exchange for numbers that can't buy you anything.